What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today. We in the Cutlass again today. I'm telling you, every day, boy, we making up for lost time. Which we didn't lose a lot, but you know. Anyway, we're going to get the tires put on. I told y'all we got a busy week this week. Told y'all that in the last vlog. So we're going to get the regular tire put on. They're in. They got the right size in now. So now I'm going to pick them up. Well, not pick them up. Going to let them put them on and all of that. And then we got some more stuff to do too. I gotta go check on, I don't know if I'm gonna do it today, but Dolo engine, like I'm ready to see that. That's a ride though. That's a serious ride. It ain't no hop and skip, I tell you that. But we got some coming on this. And now this is part 2 of what was part 1 in my mind of a video. Y'all know I did my video. I went in, man. I went in on the haters. Some of y'all missed the point. Alright, let me break this down at the beginning of the video, cause some of y'all be skipping around the video, so maybe you'll see it. Now, I did that, all of that for a reason. It was part of a bigger plan, which I'm revealing to y'all now. It worked like a charm. I did that to bring out the ones that already always talking crazy, and I did, and it did. So let me put y'all on some game. SDC, for people wondering what SDC, cause I responded to some people messages, but it was just too many, so I'm doing it on video. If you ain't into that, cool. So SDC, shout out to my guy Scrap. Scrap, man, y'all hit him up on Instagram. Shout out to Scrap, man. He big on the mindset stuff. He termed that phrase SDC, social digital currency. What is social digital currency? I'm finna show you. How does social digital currency help you? It bumps your video up in the algorithm. What is the algorithm? The algorithm is how you draw more views, more traffic. What do more views, more traffic equal? More pesos, more dinero, whatever, you know, income. Now, this is on that video where I went in. It's probably not gonna zoom. You want to go comment on the feed, feel free. I tell you, they need to start getting it anyway. Okay, y'all see that? See this guy? This is one of them. This is one of them. You see this? He wrote all this, said, I think I'm better than everybody and all that whoop-de-whoop. Act like I'm the richest man and all that, which y'all have never heard me say that anyway. But that's what he put together in his mind. So y'all see all these my replies. Having fun with him. Having fun with him. Jay, why you entertaining them? Guess what? Y'all see all this? This is SDC. This is social digital currency. I'm driving it up. Just like driving up the stock market price. Just like driving the stock market price. It's illegal to do that, by the way. Don't do that. Don't drive up. But you gotta have big money to drive up stock market price. It's a term for that too. But that's all I'm doing. Social digital currency. He just kept replying, This is an older cat too. I told y'all my guy on the internet figured out who's who. He really did, for real. And that guy right there is, man. Anyway, I pinned the comment, give them the publicity. That's SDC. So when you get that, what happened, you use these people to your advantage. That's what I was telling you. I was literally in my office 1 o'clock in the morning laughing. I'm working. I'm like, if somebody got the time to be on the computer commenting to you, they either one or two, they ain't got no life, they ain't got nothing going on. Damn sure can't be working. I was working, editing, click, then I come back. It's that. So I'm making money all while I'm still entertaining him, driving up my SDC, which is social digital currency. And what that happens is triggers the algorithm. It'll show you in real time. You can see in real time when people comment, whether it's good or bad, it's a comment. That's all it is. When they dislike your video, it's a view. It's a play. That video plays. If they pause it, it's still a view. Boom, boom, that fast. It's a view. It's still engagement. Let me tell you how dislikes do not hurt your video, y'all. They don't hurt them at all. That video right there, 5 dislikes. It got 400 something likes. When the likes outweigh the dislikes, it does not hurt your video at all. And it's very rare dislikes outweigh likes. So don't pay attention to that stuff. Use it to your advantage. When they hit it, either one of those buttons, when they hit either one of those buttons, it helps. It helps you. In the end, when you decide to entertain or go at it with one of them, drive your comments up. That's all you doing. Drive your comments up. Because they try to trigger you, but they're so petty, they will continue to come back. They're going to keep clapping back, man. They're going to say stuff, try to get you mad. You just keep, boom, have fun with them. They're not smart enough because they're not in this space. Someone gonna see it now, but they still ain't gonna be smart enough because they just can't help themselves. But anyway, they're not smart enough to understand because they're not in the internet space. So they don't know what they're doing. They don't realize. They just think they're getting under your skin. And they helping you. They help you make this. They help you drive over traffic. All of that. It was just like a trap. When you go fishing, you know, you find that good spot. You bait your line, you throw it out there. Me turning up, talking all that junk to them people. It was to them people. Y'all know I'm humble. But talking all that junk to them and letting them know they're not on my level. Like I told him, I said, he's not on my level. I mean, that's just what it is. It's levels to this. Let me tell you something. A person on your level or above you would not be commenting and doing little stuff like that on the internet. They don't do it. They don't do it. You know, I wouldn't do it. The only reason I entertain is because it helps my business. It's true life. It helps my business. It drives up my engagement. I've been doing it 13 years. I see it. I know it's a fact. And shout out to Scrap for coming up with the term social digital currency, which is major. And this work on any platform. Now, I go further in detail for people that want to learn, but that's the gist of it. That's why I did it. So now, I said at the beginning of the video, now we can move forward. I hope people got it. That's why I entertain y'all. Nothing more. I'm telling you, it's business. That's all it is. So now we done with that. Let's go to Tire Depot. All right, y'all. I was just thinking about it. I said these old tires about to come off here. I gotta cook them. And boy, right here on the bridge, this gonna be fine. Under the bridge, I'm getting that footage for y'all. So y'all better, hey, y'all definitely better like this video. Smoke coming up from, smoke come up to the interstate, boy, it's going down. Alright, y'all see it, we checking in, y'all see where I'm at. Mike Tire Depot. No, I'm showing love, y'all hit them up. Hit them up, about to get these tires switched over real quick. I tried to give y'all a little burnout. I could have wiped that with some more, but I tried to give y'all a little something, man. Gave y'all a little show. A little show before we take them off. Cause when I put these new ones on, I ain't doing all that crazy stuff. I'm tired high, man. I ain't doing all the crazy stuff, so. Yep, we over here getting them changed. I'm probably gonna go get some more racing gas too. Put some more racing gas in it, since it's getting low. It getting low on fuel, and I want to have racing gas in it when I hit the dyno. So we're gonna go do that. I might head to my hometown, go grab 10 gallons of that, put it in there, then let it sit until it's time to go to the dyno. Then when it's time to hit the dyno, then when I get back in the car, I ain't driving no more before then. Cause I've been getting y'all hella footage, and some good turn up footage too. So yeah, we're gonna head and get some gas, 10 gallons. Then I don't know, we're gonna be on Dolo, so I'll catch y'all in a minute. Oh yeah, that's another thing, man. I was just looking at the clip. Y'all heard that popping? That Elderbrock got to come off of there, man. It got to come. I know I said I probably I got a carburetor coming. It should be in this week. I'm hoping, man. That Elderbrock got to come up off of there, man. It gonna pick up. It gonna see a lot more horsepower, but I'm trying to keep it on before the dyno session. But y'all heard that when I started turning it up, cause I never turned that car up. Some of y'all probably in the video why it sounds sluggish and stuff, but probably wondering I don't be turning it up, man. I don't turn it up high like that. But that thing will just gotta come off of there. Got to come off there, man. So we're gonna change that. Get that on there ASAP. But I'm gonna try to go to the dyno. Well, I am. I'm gonna go to the dyno with it, and then y'all gonna be able to see the difference in power. So they getting it knocked out. I definitely gotta change that stuff, man. Just cosmetics, man. The rest of the stuff. See, I don't really like that and stuff. Y'all see what they had painted the frame. I don't know why they didn't do that part right there, but y'all know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in there with some paint, touch up like I did Dolo. I'm gonna touch all that up right there, paint it black, springs, and I might go order this stuff, springs, and I ain't gonna do all them brake right there, cause I'm put disc brakes on the back of it. But we gonna change all that, make this thing nice. Probably put some wildwoods back there. And definitely some better shots, make the car perform better. They getting it knocked out though. They getting it knocked out quick. They getting it knocked out quick. Look at that tire. Look at that tire, boy. Woo. And folks were talking about, hey y'all. Y'all know I ain't talking to my people. I'm talking about the one be talking junk. Did it spin 2 times? Did it spin 2 times again? Somebody put in the comment, let me know if it spun 2 times. I think it did. But yeah, when they get these knocked out, we're gonna. I might run the Lawless. We'll run down there the Lawless street car, see what Jesse got going on. Since I'm around the way, and then we'll check back in. Y'all see it. Got the new ones on. We good to go now. New Coopers. Blue all the way around. Man, keep the blue on there, huh? Keep the soap on it. Keep the soap on it, and they blue. Yeah, they wrapping it up though. They just got that one more, and shoot, we be ready to ride, y'all. We'll slide down to Jesse. And shoot, we're gonna be good to go. So y'all, the burnout's gonna be on chill for a second. Alright, y'all, we checking in. We came over here to Lawless street cars, man. Y'all know I have to holler at Jesse at least once a week. See what's going on, keep y'all in the loop. The number is on the screen. Hit him up, and boy, he got a Trans Am over here. They doing some sick work too. But boy, look at that thing. Them tires, man. Them new tires, boy, they call it look too good. Ride good. I'll put this thing up, cause it ain't looking too spectacular out here. So we're gonna put y'all on the ground. So we ain't showing some stuff we ain't got no business showing. But y'all look at this right here. I'm gonna tell y'all, they did an LT4 swap in there. This is what the owner wanted. So you know you got the LT4 swap, and man, what get it? This is actually for a handicapped gentleman. So you know, got the intake on there. They got the front off of it right now. They do all swap, man. Coyote swap, LS swap, like I said, LT swaps. Probably do the new LT swap too. I don't think nobody brought one through yet. I think, hold on, it might be somebody gonna get one done. I can't remember. But everything all in there neat. They didn't do this. This is already done on the car. But they hooked up the controls. This wire stuff was done. I think they're gonna tuck that away. But look at this. Hand control, like I said, for handicap guy. So you know, they did all this at Lawless. The hand control, so you know you can drive it and everything. Man, it's sick. When I say they do everything over here, I mean they do everything. That's sick right there. So if you want that work done, man, I'm telling you, a lot of y'all coming through and came through good to do business with. It's one of the shops I recommend a lot. I highly recommend. If I had to give them a star rating, I would give them 5 stars. All categories, I really would, on the way they do business, the turnaround, the craftsmanship, all of that. Pricing, I give them 5 stars, everything. So we were just talking about the Cutlass too. I'm probably bringing the Cutlass over here, get a little seat nice done. little seat night action going on. Just give me a little more space. So we probably be coming back. Y'all be filming that, letting y'all see how they get down, since other people don't be wanting to show, since it's a grudge shop. You know, all that good stuff. But yeah, I get excuse me, y'all. I get some. I'm about to, boy, look at, glad to have all the tires, boy. I can't burn these up. So I guess I'm gonna put the camera up, and we gonna head back to the house. Go ahead and holler at Jesse, tell him about to pull out, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, so we back from Lawless, man. Oh, hold on, I thought my phone rang, y'all. Anyway, but we back from Lawless. Let y'all see them clean tires again, boy. Ooh, we got new tires on there. New tires on there. And that was one of the only thing wrong with this car. That car kind of bumpy. It wasn't a smooth ride, but the guy said when I bought it, he was like, man, they probably need some tires. They've been sitting up, and it did. It did. They fixed everything. I thought the car needed alignment, just the tires were bad. So, car drives so smooth now. It literally rides like a new car. This car ride like a new car, man. It's airtight. Y'all know, you know how you had the old school, that wind be coming in there? Nothing. It's a small stuff with that car. I love it, man. Nothing, no wind, no wind noise. It rides smooth, it's comfortable, and man, now it got the power. It got the power since all the little stuff. It ready. It's ready, man. I'm finna go ahead and see what's up with the carburetor, check the tracking and stuff. Put the carburetor and distributor on there, MSD box. We good to go. Literally done. Carburetor, MSD box, distributor. Literally done, man. The car just, and every time I take it out, compliment it. People love this car. And I'm not even a person that like blue. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not a fan of blue, but this blue on this car, it's it. This it. And then when I get the 22s to put on there, it's gonna be so enough. But it clean like it is. When this car get washed, boy, it's already clean. Even when it's dirty, it's clean. I ain't washed this car yet. But yeah, we got the tires on. We good. We good. I put y'all on game on some SDC. Y'all saw exactly how it worked and what and how SDC get left and all that. So I'm about to cover this thing up, man. Tomorrow, what we got planned tomorrow? I got a lot of stuff shaking, cause this car right here, Dolo is in motion. But right now, when I cut the camera off, I'ma call and check on my converter, see if my converter done. Cause I got my it's going down the Hustle Hard to get the engine installed. Cause that's who available right now. And y'all know I use the same circle of people. Whoever available out of my circle, that's who I go to. So I'm gonna get everything down now to Hustle Hard, get it installed. So Dolo be going down there to get it works and all of that. Y'all know I'm be shouting out Frank, even though y'all ain't gonna see the engine, but you know. We're gonna have oil pressure soon. I'm finna go ahead and buy me some more 26s too, cause y'all know I got that 430 gear in there, and I ain't with riding on no 15 with that 430 gear. That ain't it. So I got to have some wheels. I want some cheap wheels. Or if somebody that I know got some cheap 26s, some nice looking 26s. Y'all saw my ones I had on here last time. I actually did like those wheels, but they what people call cheap. I like those wheels, so I want something that look good. But I don't want no multi-piece wheel, basically. The car ain't painted out. I don't want that. I just want something to put on here that ain't beat up though. So, yep, that's it, y'all. For today, we got the tires on. Scheduled my dyno appointment. It's a lot of stuff happening. We back. That car wrapping up. I'm finna be finished with it. I will get the Camaro this week. I will get the Camaro. It'll be back home. Camaro done. And Dolo, we're going in on this. So Dolo gonna have oil pressure before the end of that month. So yeah, that's it. I appreciate everybody tuning in every day. I'll catch y'all later. I'm out.